What's up, guys? Yeah, man, bless up on yourself. Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, say, yours truly, Dex Media. You understand what I say? Yeah. You don't know, say, me have to present to the winner for the competition last week. You don't know, say, we did have a competition running last week where we say, yo, any female who can dance the best would have win a prize, $2,000 credit, plus a bottle of wine at Seawave Complex. Yeah, man, big up Seawave Complex for taking part sponsor this competition. I want to leave in a comment section if you want to run competition like this again. Big up to the new subs then, because I reached 50 subs last week. Yeah, man, a mad thing. Big up on yourself.
Hi guys, it's Anmule Kambu. I'm here at the Seawave Complex. Come to collect my prize, a bottle of wine. I already received my $2,000 credit and Dex Media. I still have the photo shoot to do. I want to thank everyone who voted for me, who liked, who comment, and who viewed my video. I come first on his page, and I just want to thank each and every one that supported me and carried me this far to get a bottle of wine, $2,000 credit, and a photo shoot. If you guys are here in the Buff Bay area and want to have a nice, decent drink, you can come to the Seawave Complex and have a nice bottle of champagne. And I want to thank, on behalf of Seawave, all the sponsoring and supporting the team.